Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share, I opened the Woodland Grove Card Kit that I have purchased, that I have bought 60% off. So it was like $3.80 or something like that. This is everything that it has in it. So I used most of the ephemera that was in here. These sticker papers I used, maybe half of them. And then I had washi. I only had like a piece left from the washi. And then the cards, like it has 20 cards, but I think I only did like 6 or 7 cards. I started this one, but I'm tired, so so these are the ones that come in the kit. Okay, and envelopes. Okay. So I don't know if I want to talk about that now. I'm going to wait. Okay. So I use flowers because y'all already know how I am with flowers. I use these flowers. They're from Emily. She's Jersey Sea Girl E. I used these ones here. I can't remember where I bought these off of. I need to get more flowers from these ladies because I'm using them. And these are from Color Me Clay. So those are the flowers that I use. I will show you as I go. I also used for the jewelry that I added to it, like any charms and things like that. I used the multi-purpose cement. This is from the Dollar Tree. And if you want a comparison, this is the GS Hypo Cement that they sell for jewelry. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it says jewelry, beading, hobbies, crystals. And this works almost identical as this. This one dries a little faster though. And then I use this Fabric Fusion adhesive. I usually use hot glue, but I can't find my glue gun. So I was like, well, let me try this. Because I really hate using wet glue, but if it's tacky and it's sticky and it dries fast, then, you know, and this one dries fast. And then I just used my X-Acto knife and the stick pin to help with any jemmies and things like that. Okay, so the first ones I'm not too crazy about, but like this is when I have first started, so it's been a long time since I made anything for paper crafts. So I made this card, the thank you. These are the ephemeras that came in the kit. This is some the washi, and then this was gifted to me. So there's that one. The next one is this one here, really simple and cute. All the little stickers came in the kit. These are just sequins that I added to it. Then I started layering, and look at all the flowers. So I did a little shaker. Added the frame, the ephemera pieces. These are stickers from the set, and this flower is from Color Me Clay. This one is from Emily. So I added more stickers on here. This this is some die cut. This one is super cute. So I added a rosette to it and then started layering the ephemera that came with it. And I just thought about it. I want to put some chain on her, like a cute gold chain. I'll probably do that here in a little bit. And then add a little gemmy. So for the gemmy, I did use the cement glue because this isn't going to work for that. And it dried. And it's pretty good for it. So I did that. And then this one here, super cute. You're absolutely the best. So I added a little chain on her because she, you know, she popping. And then I added this cute little flower. I'm gonna find out who it's from because I forgot. And the washi. And then I just added Chase Your Dreams in here. The next one is more ephemera pieces from the kit. This is actually, I think, from Sweet Story, if I'm not mistaken. And I just, like all the other ones, I popped them up on some foam tape. It does come with foam tape. I forgot about it. It's just, they're really tiny, so they actually work better for the little ones, you know, the little ephemera pieces. And I added a little charm here. And I use that cement glue on it so now it's dry. I did this pink one right here. Super cute. It says love you. And I had a little charm. This is from AliExpress. And the last one is this one. I just went ham, yo. I just like going crazy on these flowers. I had these little flower charms or embellishments, and then I have these little centers, and I just glued it on there with that cement glue that I have. Added all the different flowers. These are the ones from Emily. These are the other ones. And a little tag, and I don't know if it's too much or too busy. And it says you're pure sunshine, but it's really cute. So that is it. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't went over to my other channel, it is Evelyn Mercedes. And I am just doing jewelry over there. So go check it out, please. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon. I'm trying to like do this every day or every couple times a week, trying to, you know, get back into it. So I'll see y'all later and talk to y'all next time. Bye.